Hello and welcome to my channel Earn with Umar. Today we will tell you about a very good project, a self-custody payment network and a new kind of money called Burst. Yes, you are right. Burst.money is one of the greatest potential project. It is basically on non-custodial DeFi wallet payment gateway and a suite of DeFi projects. Here you can see that the pre-sale is going on and here you can buy tokens at a very cheap rate. We will tell you about the use case of the burst. So keep watching this video till the end so that you are aware of exactly how the burst one and works and exactly everything related to this. Now I will tell you details about this. So what is the burst? So as you know, the dot-com bubble exists in the early 2000s. The crypto and the blockchain technology changed the overall structure of the internet. Crypto is about to go burst to the mainstream. Burst.money is a decentralized, instant, self-custody multi-currency wallet which allows anyone, anywhere to have an instant access to crypto wallet and suites of DeFi projects. This is basically an all-in-one wallet. This is a great initiative and it has a great potential. Further, it is a decentralized non-custodial wallet and a DeFi platform. So it's basically trusted non-custodian. Burst.money does not custody your private keys. Your private keys are stored only on your device. Therefore, you are very much assured that your private keys are safe, and here you will get the fun and easy to use interface, and also it is built by the community for the community. Burst is a decentralized community governed project with a unified nation to harmless DeFi decentralized finance for social good, creating a truthless, seamless, and transparent access to the decentralized projects. So the token structure, currently the pre-sale is going on. The phase one you can see started from the April 1, and it is giving you 25% discount. So if you buy now, you will get 25% of discount. Similarly, you will have the stage 2 from 1st May to 31st May, and then the crowd sale, which will be only with 5% discount from June 1 to June 4. So here is the basically the token distribution. 10% of this will be for dedicated to the developers and the team. 25% will be for the pre-sale. Then you can see the shares of the marketing, yield farming 35%, and the airdrop and rewards 10%. So basically, and what is more interesting here, this is not a BSC chain only and not a ERC20 only. It is a combination of the both. Yes, you will find here the combination of the both worlds, on which will give you the true potential of this burst project. Here you can see the roadmap. The quarter one of 2020 was for the burst development and deployment, which they have already done successfully. And now we are in the quarter 2 2021. The burst token pre-sale is going on. The DeFi wallet will be launched. The burst cross-chain automatic swap will be launched. And then in the quarter 2 we will have burst yield farming, pancake swap IFO, pancake swap listing, uniswap and listing. Quarter 3 will be DEX integration, and quarter 4 will be lending and AMM launch, NFT wallets and marketplace. A very jam-packed deliverables which will be find in 2021. This is, one of the greatest potential project, as I'm emphasizing it too much. So you can use the burst on any device, on any mobile device. Yes, multi-device compatibility. You can launch burst on any device browser or access your wallet instantly. Instant access to DeFi projects, instant automatic swaps. You not only you will have a wallet with your currency stored in it, but you can have an atomic swap built in it. Okay, so here you will find some frequently asked questions, You can read this yourself. I'm not going into further details. If you follow them on the Twitter, then here you will find their Twitter link, which we give you all the details of the airdrops and the pre-sales and everything. You should follow this Twitter link. So basically, this is one of the best project which I am willing to invest, and I will encourage you to look in this project and invest in it and buy these tokens. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like, please press the thumb button, the like button, and the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video with some another great project. Thanks a lot.